Hi friends, welcome to Kids Corner with Srishti. Today we are making a DIY clock which is a project of kids. So here I am having a base of a cake and these I am having some cardboard circles. And these are some black circles with of the same size as of the cardboards. This I have cut it from this black paper. And these I am having some buttons.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes.
This is a black paper. And these I am having 2 ice cream sticks and I have cut them in the shape of a needle. So now we will be pasting these cardboard circles and these black chart papers. As we are making it like a pop, so we need to paste 2 cardboards, and now I'll paste 1 black paper on it. So now I have pasted. I'll do the same with all of them.
So then, why?
Now we'll do the same with all. Now I have pasted them. As you can see, now we will be pasting them on this clock. I am marking them where should be 12, 6, 3 and 9. These are the main, and then you can arrange them according to your wish. And now I am pasting it with the help of hot glue, because glue will not work on this paper. And I am pasting them a bit outside of the base so that it looks nice.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, so now I have pasted all of them, and now I am pasting this black circular paper in the middle. As you can see that there is a circular shape, so I'll paste it inside this. So I pasted it. Now I am pasting the needle. This one is the minute hand. I am keeping it on 12 as I'll be making 3 o'clock here. There are 3 hands in a clock, but as we are making it for our kids, so we'll be only pasting 2 of them, and we need to tell kids that this long one is for the minutes and the short one is for the hour.
So then, why?
Now I have pasted them. Now I am pasting a stone over here. You can take any design of your wish, but as I was having this means circular shape, so I have made with this. So this can be our best out of waste also. Now I am pasting these buttons. Now I will paste these buttons in the middle of this lining. So now we will be pasting these stones all over there. Now I am writing the numericals.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So I have written all of them, and now I am having these empty bottle of color. So I am taking its cap and I'll make a hole in it. Now I am pasting the edge with the hot glue at the back side of the clock. So with this it will be easier to hang. So now our clock is ready and we can hang it, and the kids will be able to learn. Just you need to tell them about the time concept. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, share the video and like my video. Thank you.